Good afternoon, dear students. How are you? I hope you are safe at home. Yesterday we did article. Now indefinite article left. Today we will discuss indefinite article. We have done 3 points earlier. Now 4th point is where we use definite article. The 4th point is before the names of community. Means the inhabitants of a country for example the English, the German, the Portuguese, and so on. Before the name of community, community means the inhabitants of a country. We use definite article the. And but if we talk about individually, then we will not use the. For example, Indians have dark skins. Here we will not use the because all Indians are not black. So in that case we will not use definite article the. Here zero article will come. One more example is there. Russians drink vodka. In that case, we will not use the because we are talking about individually. Okay, 5th point is to denote mountain ranges or hills ranges. For example, the Himalayas, the Pyrenees, if we talk about ranges, mountain ranges, hills ranges, then we use definite article the. But if we talk about single mountain or single range, then we will not use definite article the. For example, Everest. Here we will not use the. Here zero article will come. Only remember, if you find change of ranges or mountains, then use the, otherwise not. For single mountain, for single hill, the will not be used. Our 5th point is to denote mountain ranges or hills, or you can say before mountain ranges or hills. Our 6th point is before the names of rivers, canals, gulfs, rivers, canals, gulfs, deserts, valleys. We use definite article the. For example, the Bay of Bengal, the Bay of Bengal. London is on the Thames. Thames, here is a famous river of England. London is on the Thames. The Bay of Bengal. Gulfs. This is a river. Before the name of rivers, canals, gulfs, and deserts and valleys, we use definite article the. Our seventh point is before the names of municipal, government departments, business houses, shops, industrial concern, and banks, we use definite article the. For example, the Westminster Bank, the Westminster Bank, the Punjab and Sindh Bank, the Punjab and Sindh Bank, the Public Library, for such type of words we use definite article the. Before the name of municipal, government departments, business houses, shops, industrial concerns and banks, we use definite article the Westminster Bank, the Punjab and Sindh Bank, the Public Library. Our eighth point is before the names of ships and trains, before the names of ships and trains, Queen Elizabeth is a famous British liner. Here it is a famous ship, Queen Elizabeth. Then we put definite article in the Queen Elizabeth is a famous British liner. One more example है the Golden Arrow. The Golden Arrow runs from London to Paris. London to Paris. The golden arrow here is a name of train. The Shatabdi Express, the Rajdhani Express. There are many trains. Before the name of ships and trains, use definite article the. The Queen Elizabeth is a famous British liner. It is a ship, British ship. The Golden Arrow is a famous train which runs from London to Paris. Before the name of ships and trains, we use definite article the. Our ninth part is when we want to distinguish one person, thing from another, then we use definite article What do you mean by this? जब हम एक व्यक्ति वस्तु को दूसरे व्यक्ति वस्तु से अलग करना चाहते हैं तब हम दा का प्रयोग करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही इज द बॉय हु abused me yesterday. Here, the indicates that the boy is special who has abused me. That's why we have used here the. The separates him from other boys. He is the boy who abused me yesterday. Special boy. He thanked me for the present which I gave him. For what he thanked? The present. It is special present. He thanked me for the present which I gave him. Here the is separating the present. When we want to distinguish one person, one thing from another, then we use definite article the. जब हम एक व्यक्ति वस्तु को दूसरे व्यक्ति वस्तु से अलग करते हैं तो हम दा का प्रयोग करते हैं. Next point is when we are writing a letter to or more unmarried sisters jointly, then we use definite article the. जब हम दो या दो से अधिक अविवाहित बहनों को पत्र लिख रहे हैं संयुक्त रूप से, तब हम उनके नाम के आगे दा लगाएंगे. तो उनके आगे दा लगाएंगे. When we write a letter two or more unmarried sister, then we use definite article. For example, the Mrs. Smith. जब हम दो या दो से अधिक अविवाहित बहनों को पत्र लिखते हैं तब हम डेफिनेट आर्टिकल का प्रयोग करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द मिसेस इन लेटर वी यूज. आवर 10th पॉइंट इज We often say go to office, and we often say go to the office. If it is a work of place, if it is a work of place, यदि ये काम करने की जगह है, तब हम कहेंगे, तब हम डेफिनेट आर्टिकल का प्रयोग करेंगे इसके बाद, इससे पहले जो है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही इज एट द ऑफिस. It means he is doing some work there. That's why we say he is at the office. It means it is a working place. There we work, working place. If we denote working place regarding office, then we use definite article the. He is at the office means where he works, he is working. Our 11th point, before the ordinal numbers, we say first, second, last, only. They are ordinal numbers. We will say he is the first. He is the first to come. Use the before first, second, last, only, ordinal numbers. He is the first to come. He was the last to come. He was the only boy of his parents. Before the ordinal numbers, use definite article the. Before the names of directions, before the names of directions, we use definite article the. East, west, north, south. For example, the sun rises in the east. The sun sets in the west. But if we put name of a place after the direction, but if we put name of the place after the direction, then we will not use definite article. यदि हम दिशा के बाद उस स्थान के नाम को लिख रहे हैं, उस स्थान के नाम को बता रहे हैं, तो फिर हम दा का प्रयोग नहीं करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही लिव्स इन नॉर्थ अमेरिका. Here we will not use definite article because we are telling name of a place. In that case, we will not use definite article the. If we put name of a place after that direction, before the name of directions, we use definite article the. Okay. Dear students, our 13th point, name of magazine, province, newspaper, oceans, seas, views, definite article. Views, definite article. For example, the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Oceans. The Punjab and Haryana High Court. The Punjab and Haryana High Court. Views, definite article, the, before these words. So we have done maximum point of definite article. Today we have learnt about definite article. What is definite article? The is called definite article because it points out particular person, particular thing. So we have done maximum point of that. Yesterday we did indefinite article. So we have done this topic completely. If you feel any deficiency, please call up me. If you feel any problem, you can call up me. Moreover, do at least 25 sentences from your notebook of this topic. It will be checked. Read carefully, go through carefully this topic, step by step, gradually, with a lot of patience. You will learn accurately this topic. You will enjoy this topic. Okay, I think this is sufficient for today. Okay, be alert, be safe, and maintain social distance. Thank you and have a nice day.